I'm not asleep. It's the middle of the day. I heard.
Presented by Traffic with Mariana Van.
Ah, there we go. Oh yeah. No, not in there. Ah, there we are. Ah, there we are. Breakfast quesadilla. I have literally never done this before. This is entirely experimental. I'm doing it now. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to need to set everything up. And voila, focus. So first things first, we're going to need to make ourselves some eggs. A bit of an unconventional way to beat the eggs, but you know, we're working with what we got here. I'm gonna add some cheese to the eggs first, so that way it has the flavor in it. It's very important because the later steps are gonna have cheese to kind of glue it to the quesadilla, but we also want cheese in the eggs, because if we do not, then it will just taste like eggs with cheese outside instead of cheesy eggs, which is what that's what I'm going for. So now that we've got our little egg mixture beaded, we now just gotta cook them. This is very tedious. Whoa. We got our eggs done. Let's get those on the plate and lens flare. Let's get those on the plate and then start cooking our tortilla. Breakfast quesadilla, complete with some Hawaiian punch. Alrighty, let's dig it. Get a more full piece. The flavors mesh well pretty good, actually. And we'll give that a okay hand out of 10. So yeah, this has been Cooking with Kalos, Chef Carlos Dubaku, if you will. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you liked it, leave one of them thumbs up. Leave one of them big old thumbs up. If you didn't like it, doesn't matter. YouTube doesn't want you to see the dislike count anyway, so you can leave one if you want. It's not gonna do much. Leave a comment down below of what I should cook next, and brief pause for the music. Dude.